Hi there. Let's come to our next chapter of learning, that is prepositions. These are simple prepositions that are used extensively in English writing, speaking, or any other section that we may want to use it for. Let's look at some examples. Talk to. I'm going to talk to my manager. Listen to. Listen to what the other person is saying. Speak to her. Apologize to your manager. This belongs to me. It happens to be a wonderful sight. Turn to page 69. Adapt to new technologies. Add to your knowledge. Agree to. Consent to. Devote to. Let's look at some more examples of to. Lead to, object to, react to, reply to, talk to, refer to, heal to, going to, convert to, accustomed to, indifferent to. Now we will look at another preposition, which is for. Wait for the bus to come. Ask for help. Apply for a position. Blame for the misdeed. Care for someone. Long for. Head for. Admire for. Excuse for. Pay for. Pray for. Search for. Scold for. Then we go further down and look for vote for one party, next party, another party. You can name the political party. Prepare for the exam. Wish for the success. Work for the organization. Apologize for a walk, for a change, for 2 days, for 1 month, for 2 weeks. Now we'll look at some more prepositions which are starting with from. Okay, how to use this preposition from. One thing for prepositions is we must keep it in mind that these prepositions are to be learned with practice only. So there's no formula that one day you practice and you can learn all. You can learn some, but multiple practice, repeatedly looking at it, repeatedly using it in sentences will make you get much better at it. Although if you know English, you already know a lot of these. It's just that you may not be confident. So more practice makes you much better. Simple. Suffer from, recover from, borrow from, escape from, graduate from, hide from, prevent from, prohibit from, protect from, retire from, rescue from, save from, separate from, resign from, distinct from, abstain from, infer from, stem from. Same ways, now we go and look at another preposition, which is at. Smile at, stare at, aim at, look at, point at, laugh at, arrive at, wink at night, at home, at work, at school. Now we go and look at another preposition, which is on. I'll have to move my video from here and so that you have a better look. So I'll move myself to the other side of the screen and then we look at on. Agree on, comment on, depend on, concentrate on, decide on, rely on Mondays, on weekends, on my birthday, on holiday, on vacation, on December 20th, on TV, on radio, on the left, on the right, Similarly, we go to the next preposition, which is in. In the morning, in the evening, in 2018, in the summer, in the winter, in meeting, in the meeting, both can be used. Take in, succeed in, interest in, interested in doubt, in double mind, in the car, in the park, in bedroom. You can also use in the meeting or anything else that comes along with it. So this is pretty much introduction to the preposition 1 part. We will also have the second video on prepositions out soon, wherein you can practice it more. Primarily the ones that I've covered today, which is in, on, at, from, for, and to. That should take care of more than 60-70% of your preposition errors or preposition usage. And if you practice them carefully, you will definitely be able to be successful in using it correctly and improving upon your English, whether it's writing, speaking, or any other part. So if you like the video, go ahead, click on the like button and subscribe to the channel to get more such videos for your help. Thank you.